You are busy, 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 and you haven't found the time to take care of yourself the way you know you should. You feel stressed, probably a few pounds heavier than you want to be, and you kind of feel like you've lost yourself a bit somewhere along the way, right? You know you want to look and feel amazing, but you aren't quite sure where to begin. And it's all pretty overwhelming, right? There's so much information all over the place. So you just know you can't do it on your own. So here's the thing, you are not alone. And the good news is that I can help you. I've been there myself. There was once a time many years ago where I was exactly like that, where I had no idea what I was supposed to do. And it was so overwhelming and it was so defeating. But I also know what it's like now to be on the other side of this journey. And that's what I want for you. So my name is Jen J. I'm an advanced holistic nutritionist, and I take a holistic approach to health. I don't do fad diets. I don't do calorie counting. We don't do anything that's not sustainable, because what I want for you is for you to be able to address your entire lifestyle. So your nutrition, your exercise, your sleep, your stress levels, your mindset, your chemicals in your home, the chemicals in your home. I want you to be able to take all of that and apply it in a long-term sustainable way so that you look and feel your best every day for the rest of your life. Okay. Now, let's get you back on track, because I know that you're here today because you have health goals and you're totally overwhelmed with all the information available online. That's okay. Everybody is these days. Okay. So I really do want you to start feeling amazing and the way that you deserve to feel, right? Now, imagine being guided through a really simple step-by-step process so that you know what to do every step of the way to reach your goals. And yes, it's true. We are what we eat, but there's so much more to the healthy living puzzle. Now, as a client of mine, you'll learn really easy to implement strategies that can transform the way you look and feel, as well as help you better understand your relationship with food without feeling deprived, restricted, overwhelmed, or guilty. So, my coaching program is for you if you're looking to achieve your goal weight, look younger, reduce your stress, kick sugar cravings, reduce bloating, boost your energy levels, or even have a healthier relationship with food. If you're really looking to get back to basics and stop overcomplicating your health, this is for you. All right. Now, this is not gimmicks, it's not a fad diet, and it's not tricks, because we know those don't work. Right. So during my program, what you'll discover is we're going to go through a blueprint for lifelong success, where we're going to talk about things like why it's not just about what you eat. We're going to talk about common causes of cravings and how to tame them. We're going to go over what may actually be sabotaging your health goals without you even knowing it, including time-saving menu planning tips and healthy recipes, how to simplify your portion control so that you don't feel deprived, how to make an easy plan for exercise that doesn't involve spending countless hours at the gym, and so much more. This is just a handful of the types of coaching topics that we're going to go over in this program. Now, best of all is you actually have my support and my guidance every step of the way as you implement these simple changes in your lifestyle for lifelong success. So this one-on-one private coaching program includes weekly private 30-minute coaching calls with me, where we're going to review in-depth topics that are related specifically to your health goals and the challenges that you face in your lifestyle, because not every one person has the same challenges in their lifestyle. Even though we may all say we don't have time, or money could be an issue, or scheduling could be an issue, that direct schedule could be totally different than somebody else's scheduling issues. So we really dive into specifically what is holding you back from meeting your health goals and get you solutions in place to overcome them. Okay. So that's number one. Number two, I'm going to give you weekly tasks that you're going to integrate into our coaching or into your lifestyle that directly relate to our coaching topics. So, for example, if we are talking about common causes of cravings and how to tame them, I'm going to be implementing with you a couple of ways during the week that when cravings pop up, you can start to manage them and how to avoid them in the first place. Now, you will also have a free phone app, so a smartphone app that connects you directly to me. So we're going to set these goals and these tasks into that app. So you're also going to get reminders of them. So it just makes it so simple for you to stay on track without falling off. Okay. Now, this app also allows you to get immediate feedback on your progress. So if you have a meal in front of you and you're not quite sure if you have made the healthiest choices, you're definitely welcome to take a picture of that and send it over to me, and I can give you feedback on how it looks based on your goals and what you're going for. Okay. This app also allows you to check in with me between our coaching sessions so that you can stay accountable, address any barriers as they come up in real life situations, keep you motivated, and even access the coaching material and schedule your appointments with me. Now, in addition to all of this, I'm also going to provide you with 4 fully customized and personal meal plans to take some of that guesswork out of what to eat. So these meal plans are entirely based on your eating styles, your food preferences, your busy schedule, whatever your eating style looks like. This is customized to you, but they also are complete with the recipes for those options and a grocery shopping list so that you can make it very simple and easy to take that meal plan and integrate it into your lifestyle. In addition to that, you will also receive multiple recipe books, digital recipe books that you can use to create your own meal plans as we go through that portion of the program so that you have plenty of really healthy options to broaden your availability and the options available to you to make it so much more easy and simple for you to integrate your nutrition and healthy nutrition into your lifestyle. So if you are ready to get started and actually experience long-term health through a back to basics coaching program, go ahead and click continue. And I will see you on the other side. Bye.